Hello everybody, my name is the Diamond Bullet and welcome to Anatomy and Physiology Part 3. Today I will be showing you guys the Sino-Artial node and the functions of the blood. So how do you spell the Sino-Artial node? Well, Sino, Artial, or SA, node. I don't know how to do a letter D. So Sino-Artial node. So what does it do? It sends out regular electrical impulses from the top chamber or the atrium, causing it to contract and pump the blood into the ventricle. So we've got half a heart here. So this will be the left atrium, and this being the left ventricle. So when this happens, this section, the left atrium, contracts. So just this section here contracts, which sends the blood flowing down into here, into the ventricle. That is what the Sino-Artial node does. I believe that it has many other functions than just that, but then the blood goes through here and out of this artery here. So the Sino-Artial node is basically when electrical impulses go into the left atrium, causing it to contract, causing the blood to go into the left ventricle and out. So that's quite simple. That one is. Next up, we've got the functions of blood. So blood has some good functions. We have two different types of blood. We've got oxygenated blood or blood that has oxygen in, or deoxygenated blood. No, I don't want that. Or blood without oxygen in it. So what does the blood do? It doesn't just go around the body letting things work. It transports, protects and regulates. So what does it transport? Blood transport gases known as oxygen or carbon dioxide, or O2 and CO2. And that takes this is carried to the parts of the body that require all these elements. So what does it protect? Blood protects us against diseases. Now, there are two different types of cells that Sean, shut up, this is for school. Sorry about that. So it protects us against diseases, and there are two different types of cells that cause diseases. There's bacteria, and there's something else that I don't like to remember. But this is the only important part, the bacteria. Because the white blood cells, they try to fight this bacteria that causes us to feel ill. Now, it regulates many different things. So it regulates the functions of everything else. But it also regulates the oxygen to carbon dioxide levels. So going over this again, blood is separated into two areas: oxygenated blood, or blood with oxygen in, or deoxygenated blood, or blood that doesn't have oxygen in. Blood has three main roles: transporting, protecting, and regulating. It transports oxygen and carbon dioxide. It can also transport nutrients from the digestive tract to storage sites, which I didn't put on here because that isn't important right now. It protects us from bacterial diseases, as the white blood cells will try to fight away these bacteria. And then it regulates the functions of everything else to make sure everything's running smoothly, and the oxygen to carbon dioxide levels within our body. So that's what blood does. And the Sino Artial node, let's go over this again, sends it's when electrical impulses are sent to the atrium parts of the heart. If I draw the other half, actually, this part's also an atrium. Or right atrium, and this one's the right ventricle. So the atrium parts, they contract, and that sends the blood into the ventricle and out through the arteries that we have on our body. So if you found this useful, leave a like. This stuff can be used for GCSE Biology, GCSE Health and Social, A-Level Health and Social, and A-Level Biology. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.